Moderates wanted more representation for Indians in the government, and they wanted Indians to have a say in running the country. Can you repeat the point again? The moderates wanted more representation for Indians in the government, and they wanted Indians to have a say in running the country.
Moderates want the political power, so that they can stop the unjust laws by the Britishers.
But radicals wanted the self-movement, and they want to free the people from the exploitation from the British. We also want the India to be a self-independent country.
But you fought only for the political rule in the India.
So we are going step by step. First we'll take political power, then we'll go for another step, so that we can get easily the country power. In a peace way. But it will take more time. But we are going in a peace way. If someone comes into your house and kicks you out of the house and they want to leave, would you agree? First we'll not allow them to come in the house, right? Then it is the same position took in India. But the Britishers came and exploitation of Indians has happened. But you wanted the peace way. By sudden you are saying that someone comes to our home, that we know. But in India, Britishers say that we are coming to your country, we are ruling. Did they say that we are kicking you or we are exploiting you? They came to India. They came to India and ruled us and exploited and that's what they are saying. In a peace way, we will kick them out. Not like they will trust to Indians.
Will they trust Indians?
The resolutions for the peace way of the freedom of the country. And did they agree? Did the British agreed by? And we don't want to hurt others, so that's the reason we fought with them peacefully. Did the British agree to your demands? No, but still we were trying to. Although they did not agree our demands, we played a vital role in the national movement of the India. So we started the fire in the Indian people to rebel against the British. We also raised, but not in a violent way, but in peace way by raising awareness. Did they agree? Did they agree? Did they agree if we fought against them in exploitative way? Yes. Even they have more military power and advanced technology and they can kill all of them. Then they agree with here we are passing the bills in the parliament? Yes. Yes.
So Aryan question is like, so when you are prayers, when you are doing pleading the government, or when you are requesting it, or when you are signing the petitions and sending to it, did they do anything in the favor of Indians? Yes or no? That is their Aryan question. And what Vaishnavi asked you is Aryan. So you are saying that extremist has brought the change, right? So is there anything where the government unjust law or anything has been stopped by the revolutionary people, like extremist?
Yes,
Example?
Yes, the radicals gave the problems of common people in the front of. They gave problems, not resolutions. They kept the problems in the of the common people in front of British. But did they solve their problems? Did they solve? Yes. They solved the problems. You are telling solved and you are telling okay, they solved, right? Give me one example what they solved. Tell me. Common problems of common people.
What? Example?
Like the people, the rents and the exploitation, the labors. I think that was their exploitation of farmers. Then exploitation of farmers, radicals even the radicals fought. I think it was their exploitation of farmers. They were forced to do farming of some main crops that they want in their country. That's why in that time, for example, in the time of Blue Rebellion, they fought against the India crop and they burned the houses of many British
Farmers,
officers.
not radicals.
But radicals also
Radicals are
belong
involved in the farmers. Radicals were involved in the
Yeah.
farmers and
And
the
they
farmers.
mentioned in Blue Rebellion. Did they mention that radicals were present in the Blue Rebellion?
They
At
belong
that
to
time only they started the rebellion.